To remove puffiness and eye bag, you're going to be needing to use potato. Okay, now potato is a great remedy that works wonders for the skin. It contains a whitening property and a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin by removing the dead skin cells and making your skin look really young. So potato also helps to reduce the size of large pores on your skin, and it also helps for pigmentations. So we're going to be peeling off all of the peel, and then we would have to be creating it. Okay, so you can actually choose to blend yours, but for me I'm just going to be creating this potato. So to get the juice out of this potato, we're going to be putting just a little bit of water. That is actually because we created it. If you blend your potato, you're not going to be needing extra water. So the juice is going to be enough for the remedy. Okay, so this is a potato juice, and the starch in it, you have to mix it for it to blend together really fine. Okay, and then also you're going to be making use of coffee. Now you can either use your fingerling coffee just like this, or you can use your coffee grain, and then you blend it into a powder form, and poof, you're good. Now if you're using coffee grain, you would have to use 1 teaspoon of the powdered coffee. Okay, but if you're using fingerlings like this, finger coffee, sorry, you would have to use just one of this. Okay, now coffee is a great remedy that helps to remove cellulite on the skin. It works in reducing the puffiness of the skin, and it also helps to remove eye bag, darkness around the skin, which is around the eye area. Okay, so you're going to cut it open, and then you're going to pour the whole thing into this potato juice, and then you have to give it a stir. Okay, always stir it, because when you're using potato, you're likely to have the starch sit under it, so you would have to stir it for the starch to waken up and mix all together. And then you're going to be needing to use egg. Now egg is a great skin tightener. It helps to firm up a saggy skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, removing age spots, and it's also revealing a brighter and a newer skin. So what I'm going to do here is that we're going to be needing just the egg white in this ingredient. So we're going to be needing the egg yolk and not the egg white. So I'm going to be opening it up, and then I would be taking just the yolk into the coffee and potato juice. Alright guys, so we're gonna be needing rice, and in this you can actually also use a boiled rice. I was supposed to use boiled rice, but I forgot to boil it, so you can also use rice powder. Yeah, okay, because rice powder is a great remedy that makes your skin look super duper young and glowing, and it helps to lighten up the skin. It also helps to maintain an even skin tone, therefore giving you that glow. Okay, so we're going to be Taking in half tablespoon of the rice, half tablespoon of rice powder. Okay guys, so how you're going to process your rice powder is that you're going to just pack some rice in your house, and then you would put it in a very strong blender and blend it, and it's going to be properly blended, and boof, you have your rice powder. Now the next ingredient we're going to be making use of, honey. Now honey is a great moisturizing remedy that helps in sucking in, allowing products to get into your skin. It helps so much to leave your skin really glowing and young, and it will also help to leave your skin really polished and smooth. So you're going to be putting in about 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Now your honey has to be organic guys, so that you see the effect of what you're actually rubbing on your skin. So after putting it up, you're going to be stirring it all up, and this is what you're going to be getting. Now the next ingredient you're going to be using is milk. Now milk contains lactic acids, and as such it helps to rejuvenate and brightens your skin. It helps to leave you looking younger, and it also helps to make your skin really glowing. So you're going to be putting in, oh my god, you're going to be putting in about 1 tablespoon of milk, and then would have to stir this and get a very good consistency, and it's going to be loosening up, and it's going to be like this. Yeah, like I said earlier, you can actually use boiled rice, and boiled rice is perfect, much more perfect for this. So we're also going to be putting in almond oil. Almond oil is suitable for an aging skin, a rash skin, and a more rough skin. So using almond oil for this remedy will work well in rejuvenating and making the skin really soft. So we're going to be putting just a little quantity of this almond oil. About half teaspoon of it is perfect. So that is okay. Okay, now you have to put in oil in this remedy, okay, to make sure that it gives you all of the full benefits onto your skin. Okay, there should be oil. And then the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be aloe vera. Now in this remedy you have to use pure organic 100% aloe vera for this remedy. It works well in rejuvenating and repairing your skin. It moisturizes your skin. It helps for dry skin, irritated skin, and it also helps to remove sunburn. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting in about 1 or 2 tablespoons of, this is 1 tablespoon, and then we're going to be putting another one. Okay, so we have enough of the aloe vera in this, and then we're going to be giving it a stir. And this oil or this lotion, it's perfect, guys. This lotion is perfect for the skin. Yeah, so I'm going to be transferring this into an airtight container. So when you finish making the lotion, then you have to transfer that into an airtight container like this. This is how it looks like. It's actually a lotion. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go apply this onto my face let me show you how it is. You can also use it like a scrub. Okay, so this is the cream, this is the lotion. Now women are crazy for this, okay, because this is actually going to, you can see that, like, okay, let me hold it this way. You can see that? Okay, can you see that? This is actually very, very great. Yeah, okay, and it can be stored. Yeah, so you apply this lotion onto your face. It's actually, the lotion is actually like a scrub. You apply it onto your face and then you will scrub it all out just like this. Apply a generous amount. That is perfect for one use, and I'm gonna be storing this. And you scrub it all out. Okay guys, so if you're using the boiled rice, you're going to notice that there will be no much particles. It's actually because I use blended rice. That's why I have some particles in here. Yeah, so you scrub out, especially if you have some problem area, just like I have here. Okay, you scrub that problem area really, really well. Okay, so after doing this, then you can actually go wash it off with a normal water. Just pour water all over your skin, and you're gonna see how it's gonna be like. Your skin is going to be looking super duper soft, and this is, you're good to go guys with this remedy. Okay, like if you use this, you can, it's a lotion you can use every day. You can use it morning and evening, scrub it out and wash it, and oof, you're good. So let me go wash it, I'll be back. Okay, so this is how my skin is looking. You can see that it's looking really soft and smooth. You can look at my nose. There's no white heads, no black heads around, and it's good. Okay, so you have to repeat this morning and night. And my neck is actually I've actually gotten faded really, really well because I apply a whole great natural ingredient. Yeah,